So we're going to go over what numbers are. So when we talk about numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are what we call natural numbers, and these are whole non-negative numbers that are used for counting objects. So, like trees, apples, cars, oranges. I think you get the picture. And so when we denote natural numbers, we can see them on a number line, right? So you can see, we'll start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all just continuing forth. So you could think of, an example of a number line can be like a ruler or the measuring tapes. And so when we talk about natural numbers, we can break this down into two categories: prime numbers and composite numbers. So let's first break down what a prime number is. So a prime number prime numbers, they are natural numbers greater than 1, and they can also be evenly divided by 1 or itself. For instance, 3 is a prime number because it can be divided by 1 and 3 only. Without a remainder. However, so I'll move this tablet here. 6, for instance, can be divided one, two, three, 6, so it is not a prime number. It's a composite number. And so the composite number is a whole number that can be divided evenly other than 1 or itself. So there are some must knows. So one of them is 0, the number 0, and 1 are neither composite nor prime numbers. And then the other one is that composite numbers are divided by 1 itself and other positive numbers. Okay.